In the first video, you saw how Flashfill can automatically fill in and format a list of names. But it can work with many different types of data. I'm typing phone numbers the way I want them formatted. When Flashfill recognizes a pattern, it provides a preview. To accept it and fill in the column, I press Enter. To use Flashfill, I need to be in a column next to the data I want changed. I also used unique formatting on the top row. This helps Flashfill understand that the top row is a header row, so it won't use it in determining a pattern. The phone numbers use the general format. This column is formatted as a number. Flashfill isn't triggered automatically for data formatted as a number. There are only 10 unique characters, and it's too easy to come up with random patterns. Like this. The dates aren't correct. For example, this date should be 5/27/1974, not 2/27/1974. Providing an additional example will help Flashfill understand the pattern. We'll add another date the way we want it formatted. We'll select the cells. We can use the Fill handle or the Flashfill button on the Data tab. And now Flashfill accurately fills in the dates. In the first video, you saw how Flashfill can help you combine and format names. In this example, we'll do a more advanced version of that. I type the last name, first name, and the middle initial with the desired punctuation and capitalization. When I start typing the second name, Flashfill makes suggestions for the rest of the names. It's not perfect, but it's pretty close. So I press Enter. In this case, Flashfill wasn't sure what to do for names that don't have a middle name or initial. By providing Flashfill with an example of how to handle these names, it fills in the other name. You can also use Flashfill to split up a column of data. Type the first name, start to type the next, and Flashfill makes a suggestion for the rest of the first names. They look good, so I press Enter. We do the same thing for the last name. Now you got a pretty good idea about how to use autofill and Flashfill. Of course, there's always more to learn, so check out the course summary at the end, and best of all, explore Excel 2013 on your own.